Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Nissan Murano and I will show you how to remove and replace this overhead console right here. This video should apply to Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so I will turn the flash on my phone so you can see what I'm doing. I hope it's gonna be a bit better. Okay, anyways, why I'm replacing mine? Because this sunglass holder is broken, it can't close, right? And that's and I'm selling this SUV and most of people are complaining about this. Now part of this overhead console, it's a sunroof switch as well. So what I did, I got used console from the car salvage. I popped it out and I removed the switch there. So what I'm planning to do here, I'm planning to remove this complete console with the switch, then remove the switch out and port the switch to this new console and then install everything back in. Now there is no screws or anything holding this console in place. There's just two plastic tabs on one side and two here on the other side, right? So only thing you have to do, you have to actually pop the console here from this side. So get like a plastic trim remover, just get inside here and pop it down, and then once you do that, pull this side down and pull it towards the windshield, and then everything should get down, and then you can disconnect all of the connections. Also make sure to disconnect the battery before disconnecting the power and sunroof. If you don't have a sunroof, then you won't have anything to disconnect. Okay, so I got a couple of these plastic tools. I got a big one and I got a small one. We'll see which one will work better for me. If you don't have one, you can use anything, something like a flat screwdriver. Just in that case, be careful you don't damage here this part of the roof or this plastic, right? Okay, so I'll try to do this with one hand. So I'm gonna come just here under this plastic and then I'll push down real hard, and you see I popped out one side, and then I will do the same thing on the other side as well. I can't really record the best because of this door here. Okay, now the other side, I'm gonna get down there and just pop it down, and that's it. That's everything you have to do. And once you have it down, now you just push it towards the windshield, right? And that's it. Very easy. And now, like I said, you have a couple of connectors here to disconnect, which is not a big deal. Okay, this one here, you see you have like a small tab just here on top. You want to press it in and pull the wires out. Okay, so I already did the first one. You see you just have like a small tab here on top of it. Here you press that tab and pull out, right? That's everything you have to do. And the other ones will be the same thing. You see this white one, same thing, you push onto this tab on the top and pull it out. I have to use both of my hands to do this because I have to hold on to the console because it's hanging right now. And I don't want to damage the wires, but that's the idea, right? You press it here and you pull it out. And this one here, same thing. You can use something like a small screwdriver or something similar just to get, you see, just to get down here and press onto that tab and then pull the connector out. Very easy. Okay, so I've got it off. So one more time. Tap to press here, pull out. Other one, same thing, tap to press, you can see it. And the third one, tap to press here. And this is the piece. And now the next thing to do is remove this power sunroof switch from this assembly and install it on the different one. Now this will have, you will have four small tabs, white tabs, you see. One is here, one is here, and you'll have two on the opposite side. One here and one here. So all you have to do is press those tabs and then push onto the switch, right? So you just want to It's hard to do this with one hand, to be honest. All you have to do, you see, you have to push this tab in, you see, just like this. And when you push it, you press this complete switch in, because it's gonna come out on the opposite side, and you do this on all 4 of them. Okay, so I just did that, and as you can see, the switch fell through, and that's it. Now I will just pop that switch into the other piece. You see, those are the tabs. So the idea is just to press onto this tab. Okay, now this is my new console. So what I will do, I will just pop it in. Okay, and that's it, you see, as easy as that. And now I will install all that back into the vehicle. So I will first slide this side in. I will first connect the wires, and then I will slide this side in, and then I will pop the other side in. Because you see, these 2 are going into these 2 holes here and here. Okay, so my new console is connected. Now, like I said, first I will slide this piece in here, and then I will just pop the other side in. Yeah, that's it. Lights work, everything works. I will not try the sunroof because it's very cold outside. You see, there's like snow on top of my sunroof, so I don't want to damage it or something, because it's not gonna open, it's frozen. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.